tell us a little bit about yourself and where you are today, how you got there, and we'll throw in one of the questions that someone's asked you. How have you kept so successful over these 49 years?
I think the thing that's key for all people in all businesses is a focus on helping people. You know, I every day I put in my pocket here a little thing. It says, "Saving lives by saving smiles. Be helpful and kind, and make the biggest possible contribution to people." So I start with that every day.
And I will tell you guys, I see Tom once a week, and he comes in with his Post-it note right in his scrub pocket.
So I put it on my steering wheel, and I look at it in the morning. So, and the other thing is that I remember the great Woody Allen saying that 90% of success is just showing up. So the way I've worked 10,000 days, all right, I worked about 10,000 days, is that it's one day at a time. I remember that just going out the door is 90% of it.
It's true.
The Fuller Brush salesman, there used to be Fuller Brush salesmen, there were 8,000 of them. You probably don't even know about that.
No.
They used to go door to door. There's one left in San Francisco. So they interviewed him, said, "How do you do it?" He said, "Well, the hardest part is just going out the door. Once I'm out the door, I'm fine." So he goes out the door. That's what I do. If I go out the door, I'm fine. Now, as I've said, a lot of times I'll go out the door and I'll try to get back in, but my wife locks the door. I'm pounding on the door and she won't let me back in. She says, "You go to work, get out of the house." So it's embarrassing to be pounding on the door and the neighbors are looking at me. So that's how I've done it, with the support of my wife. Okay.
She's really pushed you out the door.
She pushes me out the door and locks it. I can't get back in. So I might as well just go to work. And once I'm there, I usually show up.
I mean, that's the amazing success, you know. That's what we need to get.
The other thing, of course, is always be marketing. You know, we do a lot of courses for people. We send out stuff. Well, just yesterday, we sent out the article to our patients and everybody about the COVID-19 thing, and we sent out in our book that we wrote. All the proceeds go to Broward Health, and we gave $1,000 to them just last week. So we sent that out to people. So we're always marketing.
And you made a huge donation during COVID-19 as well.
Oh yes, we gave the Broward Hospital didn't have any masks or covers they ran out. We happened to, through a contact, we got lots of N95 masks. So we were able to give 700 masks and a bunch of gowns to Broward Health back in like February or March.
It was very early.
Yeah, where they didn't have them. They actually didn't have them. So we were able to help them. And we also gave them to all the dentists. About 30 dentists came by and we gave them each about 10 masks.
Amazing.
So that was helpful. And being helpful actually comes back to you.
It does. You're right.
Mission and marketing. That's it.